Brett is a Rebel Technologist who honed his skills at Google, put them to the test at Barclays, and is now harnessing AI to transform businesses worldwide at Teraflow.ai.
Breaking news.
Let's look at AI.
Now it's got to the point where this technology could potentially be dangerous.
The risks that are happening with
that
AI
could lead to the extinction
right now.
of humans.
Two letters have caused massive waves around the world right now. AI. It's a wave that keeps growing, and generative AI is changing the world at an exponential rate. How do we keep pace? Where do you start? Are we already too late to catch up? There is a lot of fear around the technology.
Business is still stuck in a world of legacy technology, where more time is spent trying to keep systems up. It's about constant firefighting as we're faced with the challenges and risks. Even the tech projects are going from the old to really the not so new. But there's an equal amount of opportunity. It's time for a revolution. We need new rebels. To achieve the impossible, business needs to find their Rebel Technologists. These are individuals that have a clear vision and understanding of the ever-evolving technology, know-how of the business operations, a deep desire to challenge the status quo and lead through a revolution of change. They are the people who have a track record of rebuilding the right solutions in the right time. A Rebel Technologist.
Brett has one mission: find, develop, and grow Rebel Technologists. If the world is going to capitalize on generative AI and thrive at this new accelerated pace, the focus has to be finding and building Rebel Technologists in every business.
Embrace change. Energize your teams. Formulate your AI strategies. And convert generative AI into a competitive advantage for your business. Don't miss out on the most profound moment in humankind.